Hello everybody, how are you today? Welcome to Earth vs. Mankind YouTube channel. If you do enjoy the content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you, guys, so much for your support recently. Strong winds and sandstorms wreak havoc in Cairo. Strong winds and sandstorms brought down billboards and ripped trees on major streets in the capital on Thursday as the Khamasin spring phenomenon makes itself felt into Friday. The Egyptian Meteorological Authority (EMA) has advised the public to avoid direct contact with sunlight and wear face masks outdoors, especially those who suffer from sinuses and allergies, as a severe heat wave accompanied by sandstorms disrupt daily life nationwide. On Thursday afternoon, several areas in Cairo and Giza governorates were hit by a heavy sandstorm, followed by showers. Temperatures are expected to reach over 40 degrees Celsius in some areas of the country within the coming 48 hours. A resident in Mahdi in South Cairo reported that strong winds ripped off a part of an overhead roof of a neighboring building. In Heliopolis, in the eastern part of the capital, a resident complained of breathing dust after failing to secure windows amid strong winds. A giant billboard fell on the October bridge by strong winds, bringing traffic to a halt, a citizen reported. On Ramses Street in central Cairo, some trees were blown down by the sandstorm, blocking the vital road. But first, as always, if you do enjoy the content,